Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can stack coupons on Shein. So for that you need to open up your Shein app, then go to me section on the bottom. After that you will find this option of my reference on more services section. Just click on it, and in this section just provide this code, and after that click on update. After that you will be able to add another discount code over the discount code that I just gave you, and also there is one more way you can reduce the price, and that is by adding the products to your wish list well in advance. And after that you can see that I added this product in my wish list and now the price has dropped, and this way your price can be dropped too. And after that you can just go to vouchers and apply different vouchers over it, and this is how you will be able to stack different coupons over a product on Shein. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.